Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this maths puzzle together. Point A, 11, 9, and point B, 2 minus 3 are vertices of triangle ABC with AB equals AC. The altitude from A meets the opposite side at D minus 1, 3. The question is, what are the coordinates of point C? So to do that, we will use the coordinate system. So I have this graph from Desmos here. And I'm going to highlight some of the parts so that we can see it better. So we have the xy axis. So that's the x-axis, and that's the y-axis. And point A is here with coordinates 11 and 9. And point B is around here with coordinates 2 minus 3. And we also are given that the opposite side at D is minus 1 and 3. And the opposite side, AD, this is the altitude of the triangle, okay? Now, we know that AB is equal to the length AC. So let's connect A and B together like this. And if AB is equal to AC, this means this is an isosceles triangle. So it would be roughly something like that. Okay, so it's around here, but we don't know what it is yet. But if we connect the line, so now this is the shape of our triangle, and I want to find the coordinates of C. So because D is the altitude, D is sort of the midpoint between C and B, okay? So we can find the x coordinates of C if we think of it like, so the x coordinate of C plus the x coordinate of B, so x plus 2 divided by 2 b minus 1, okay? So x plus 2 is minus 2 because we multiply to both sides. So x is minus 4. So that's the x coordinate of the point C. Tidy this up. Now we can find the y coordinate of C, so we do the same thing. So y plus minus 3, minus 3 is the y coordinate of B, divided by 2 is equal to the y coordinate of D, which is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, so y minus 3 is 6. Y plus 3, 6 plus 3, so y equals 9. So these are the coordinates of point C. So it would be minus 4 and 9. And if we check on the graph here, we see that this matches up with our drawing. This is minus 4 here, and the height means the distance along the y-axis is 9, okay? This is minus 4, and this is 9. So the coordinates of C are minus 4, 9. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.